Hi, I'm Lisa Walton. Today I'm going to play with dots. I've been inspired by Denise Love's exercises in using colours. She uses two colours and black and white. And this is just a really fun way to see how many colours you can get just out of a few paints. First up, I grabbed this marabou metallic liner and then just drew some spirals. I was hoping it would act as a resist and they would pop throughout, but it didn't really work like that. And that's why we play. We test things out, some work, some don't, as long as we enjoy the process. Then I just added some paint in circles from the palette. Once I let that to dry completely, I got some paint and an art foamy stamp and just stamped a few places. I do like this design. This is a homemade stencil, just using a sheet of heavy-duty plastic. I used my silhouette cutter to cut this out, but you could easily do something like this by hand. I didn't fill in all the dots, I wanted to make it a little bit irregular. I'm not really sure they added much, but we'll see. I do like these marks though. I tried adding something to the dots. I don't think it added much at all actually. Using moulding paste and a stencil, I decorated some tissue paper. Then I used matte medium on my piece and stuck down the tissue paper and then put more matte medium on the top. I found a bit of paper which I thought went really well, so I got out some cutters and cut circles and then popped them down in a pattern, trying to give a bit of movement. More matte medium, of course. And I just brush the excess on the top to seal it completely and let it dry. And I couldn't resist putting a couple more on. A few more marks with the Posca pen and I think I'll call this one done. I hope you enjoyed watching this and it's given you a few ideas. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.